How to turn on and enable autoplay videos on Play Store. Hello guys, so on this video I'm going to show you how to enable autoplay videos on Play Store. So first thing you have to do, go to Play Store, go to the top right here, click on your profile picture, click on settings. Now choose the second option, which is network preferences. As you can see, now it will give you three options right here. Click on autoplay videos right here and click autoplay videos at any time. Now autoplay videos will be enabled and turn it on for any time. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.